viewers, welcome back to my channel Mehendi By Arwa. So today we are going to learn how to make flowers, which are the basic ones, which people think it's very difficult to make, but it's actually very simple if you make it the right way. And yes, you can probably make a design out of these flowers itself, which we say floral pattern. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe us. And so let's get started. Okay, so first we'll make a circle and we'll draw a line, U, and we'll get back. This is the first flower, and the second one is, if we make a circle, we'll just fill the color and we'll make the small petals which we made here. Each petal will be very close by to each other. Done. Now we'll make a spiral circle and this. All these are the basic flowers. Either make a spiral one or just a circle or just fill the color inside a circle. It's all upon you, but I like the spiral ones. Now we won't touch the circle, we'll just at a distance making like this. These are basically M's. Fifth one, we'll be doing the ends itself, but this. This is kind of deep M. Sixth one. We'll be doing kind of this design only, the fifth one only, but the petals will be like 3 curves in it. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. A circle and just roughly make the curves and draw this one is basically kind of rows, simple rows, okay? Smile, and we'll be doing the one which we did, the fourth flower, but we'll be doing just 4 petals in it first. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And on the petal itself we'll be doing one more petal. 1, 2, 3, 4, and one more on it. So this one is the simple rows which we make. That's done. Guys, practice this and keep the sheet of paper safely, as the next class we'll be learning shading on these flowers itself. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys will try this out and you'll like my video. If you have any questions regarding this video, please leave us a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe and share our videos. Meanwhile, more videos are on its way. Bye bye.